The last one that I want to share with you is this architectural science review. The title Reinterpreting the Dougong Joint, a systemic view of robotic technology for assembly of the timber joinery. So this actually, can you see here, it shows the position of the Dougong in the historical Chinese building, and also the detail of the joint. And the interesting part about this research is actually they are actually using programming the robotics to build the structures instead of using the personal uh, layman to do it by hand. So you can see here in the picture, there's a lot of modern interpretation of the interlocking wood structural design, and there are 6 freeform timber structures. There's a freeform roof, walls, double story structure. There's a lot of different freeforms interlocking wood design that can be interpreted in a modern way and used in a modern context. It gives a kind of a special character to the modern architecture structure design. So I can already see a lot of potential in actually uh, using this concept and reinterpreting it for modern use. So here actually, because in this article they are trying to explain how you can use the robotics to build interlocking system. Here is, you can see a timber frame wall, which also is a interlocking design, but of course it's a more abstract. It's not like what you have seen the Dougong traditional design, but from that concept you can see how it can actually inspire lots of new modern ways of interpreting it, which is very interesting. And here you can see another few examples of abstract designs that is inspired by the interlocking wood concept. Here you can see 3 timber explorations designed according to the Dougong. There's a reciprocal structure and a rigid lock system. And there's even over here, you can see a timber tower that has been designed based on the connection method of the Dougong. Can you see it look a little bit like a Christmas tree, but this structure is actually, you can see, maybe I can imagine this in the middle of like a hotel as part of their decorations actually, because actually the usage of a wood and interlocking system can be widely reinterpreted in many different ways, even as a decorative, as a structural. There are so many ways to use it. So here you again you can see how the specific locking system works, and you have actually experienced playing around with such interlocking wood puzzles. So here's they talk about how they program the robotics to build the structures. And here you can see how they digitalize the whole process, and how they use robotics to build and then test it. And that's all for my presentation.